Welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please take a second to click the subscribe button and turn on your notification. Alright, let's get right into this video. First, I'm starting off with the Smashbox primer. Then I'm going to go in with the Professional by Benefit primer. I'm going to work that into my skin so I can get a flawless look. Now I'm going into my eyebrows and I'm starting off with the Benefit Brow Pencil. And I'm using that to fill in my eyebrows. I haven't chipped in my eyebrows because I'm trying to grow them in. So, yeah. Just gonna use the spoolie to brush them out, groom them. I'm gonna go in with the LA Pro Concealer, 2 shades light on my skin color. And I'm gonna use that to clean it up. I kind of lost some footages in this video, so if you want a more detailed look on the eyebrows, comment down below. So I'm going into the eyeshadows now, and I started off with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna go in with the MAC Brown Script eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use that in my crease, and that's gonna be my transition shade. Blend that out very well. I'm going to work that into the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going in with the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to go in the shade Kenya. I'm going to use that in the outer corner of my eyelid and blend that out with the brown script to give it a little smokiness. This is a very beautiful fall look. With a flat brush, I'm going to go in with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm going to use that to cut the crease. I'm not going to cut the crease too high because I still want the transition color to show. So. And please, if you haven't subscribed, take this time to click the subscribe button. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to go with the same palette, the Nubian 2 palette from Juvia's Place. And I'm going to go in the shade Ya, and I'm going to pat that into my eyelid. Man, this is you can use this as an everyday look if you have the time, but it's a beautiful look. Now I'm going to go in with the NYX liquid liner, and I'm going to go later in with the NYX Artistry liner. I'm going to do a big wing. Well, not really a big wing, but a moderate wing. And going in with my lashes, and that is from Jasmine Brown. I'm applying the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer bottom of my eye so I can go back in with the Nubian Juvia's Place from Nubian 2 from Juvia's Place and the shade Kenya again. Now I'm going to use my color corrector to correct any dark marks that I have around this coloration. I'm going to set my face with my setting spray. And I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NW45. I'm going to work that into my skin so I get the look or the amount of coverage that I want. Now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to conceal under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my chin, Cupid's bow, and my forehead. And comment down below what looks you would like to see from me. Hair tutorials is coming down below. Now I'm gonna work that into my skin with my Real Techniques sponge. I love this sponge so much because you can just literally use the sponge for everything. Contour, highlight, anything. Now I'm gonna go in with the Black Opal foundation stick. I'm gonna use that to contour my face. And blend that out again with the Real Techniques sponge. Then I'm gonna go in with this Slick Face Contour Kit, shade Dark, and I'm gonna use that to set the contour. Now I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder, and I'm gonna use that to set all over my face. And going in with the shade Kenya from the Nubian 2 palette again, and I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes. Then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Dark Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm gonna use that to set every makeup, every bit of my face. Going back in with this Sleek Contour Kit. Now I'm using the Milani blush in Red Vino. And I'm going in with my highlight in MAC Gold Deposit. Going with the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. I'm going to go in with the Milani lip color in Teddy Bear. line in my waterline. Then I'm going to go in with the Benefit mascara. I'm going to wing out my lashes. A gold shadow, I'm using that in my tear duct. And setting my face for the finished look. And voila! There you have it. A beautiful, flawless cut crease look. How about that? So please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like with your families, friends. All right. And that's it. Until next time. Thanks for watching.